Am I too old to learn to swim? I'm going to give you an answer straight from the get-go. And the answer is absolutely no. I've seen so many people commenting on YouTube and Reddit that they are so ashamed and embarrassed to be 58, 43, 65 years old and still not being able to swim. Right below those comments, there will be somebody else who is in a similar age and they bring up a story how they learned to swim at that age and inspire the other commenter. Think about it. What about your age could stop you from learning to swim? Lower mobility? Lower strength? I don't think so. Let me assure you, I see plenty of 50, 60, 70 or even 80-year-olds in the swimming pool every day I go there. They do anything from swimming laps to hopping and slowly walking in the water, rehabilitate their injury, or simply move their body. And I can promise you that you could do it too. Many people think that in order to learn to swim, you have to be extraordinarily fit, but this is simply not true. You don't have to learn to swim in order to race anybody. You just have to simply be able to float and move your body along with the water. I call it the lazy man stroke. And if you stay with me, subscribe to this channel, I will tell you about this stroke later down the road. At this stage, I would like you to forget about the age you are in and just make the move, join the swimming pool, and start getting into the water.